also becoming, member of the Global Pathfinding Alliance on Ending Violence Against Children. And during this discussion, he reiterates very strongly his commitment in investing in child protection and well-being and in their caregivers to make sure that we are building a protective, inclusive, safe environment for all children. This is the main important, message. So I am really happy regarding what is going on. And yesterday, during the launch, we have also a plan of action, a roadmap that define concrete services that will be delivered, where people are living regarding, in all municipalities. So I think we are in a good way to make it and really to start working better in a coordinated way and investing in child protection and well-being and investing in people is key for the development of the country. Thank you.
Obrigado, Mara. O objetivo visita hoje é SEKJE também. Até que a hoje loro ibu sudah visita SEKJE dari batu informa bapak ibu. Kalau pilihan cukup dengan SEKJE HALAO informa bapak ibu. Vamos presentar SEKJE sini condiciones kalau komitmen politika, Estados Timor-Leste ini dia museu sama kabinetnya untuk violência e Timor-Leste. Nós sublinhamos a precisamos investimento mengenai governo Estado Timor-Leste. Ia nós sama kahre serviço dia kerja maka HALAO dia atau numero continua com bahre kalau administrar LABARIK nós kalau sama kah violência contra LABARIK ia tinggal
Durante incontro di Timor-Leste, durante l'ora di Timor-Leste, incontro i società civile siraka o parte hirak memang terlabantene, asunto importante saja ma UN presenta ba ya Timor-Leste.
Let me know what you want to do. The main important things that were discussed is that, violence against children in all settings and mainly in the circle of trust is a big concern. Because I met civil society, I met also policymakers, I met children victims. So this is the main concern. And it's an urgent moment really to accelerate and to speed the action to prevent violence, to protect children, and to make the offender duly prosecuted and judged.
Seeing how hasil malu ko itigar sekarang, jadi mak ASUNTU bersama korban violensia sobre LABARIK. Jadi saya support baik sama urat sama violensi visual maupun terus HALAO
A primeiro-ministro nos recomenda a Estados Unidos, Organização Nações Unidas, a hari di dia que define di dia que lei sira com a proteção da LABARIK indiana, malu que implementa Timor-Leste, essa posição dele.
I think it's not a problem of definition. I just want to remind you that Timor-Leste ratified the Convention on Children's Rights. And the age of children is from 0 to 18 years. And the rights are duly defined. You have the right to identity, you have the right to protection, you have the right to decent living, you have the right to health, you have the right to education, you have the right to participation. And the principle is all children are equal and there is no discrimination. And it's the role of states, to support family to deliver this and really to make sure that the rights are duly, protected and, implemented. I just want to remind you that the state is presenting its report on the convention and will be the upcoming months presenting and hearing the recommendation. So it's clear, we don't need definition. We need to implement the big list of conventions that you ratified.
Si ini claro a definição, sim, a polícia definição também Estado Timor-Leste hanya selesai mau Estado parte devemos ratificar com o Estado de LABARIK. Atau ini saya rasa dengan prinsipio de debe estar Timor Leste qui. Nomos definição internet KONABA direito sobre o trabalho de maquia Comissão de Trabalho. Anggo Estado Timor Leste nya obrigação sama ka bele a bele garante dia realização ba direito nacional atau kata dia direito para menerima que Comissão de Trabalho ono por exemplo identidade, acesso para saúde, acesso para educação, acesso para a música de dia, como acesso para dia antau jadi maka ini maka tinggi premium.
It will be my last because I have a plane today. Violence against children is an umbrella definition. It could be physical, it could be emotional, it could be sexual. It includes violence, economic violence, it includes violence at home, it includes violence in institution, it includes violence in school, it includes violence online, it includes trafficking, it includes child labor, it's a huge definition. This is very important to bear in mind. And what you need to have in your mind is that the same child could be victim of various forms of violence in various settings. And this is a definition of violence. It's a huge one.
Sim, definição quando a duration é a negligência sumrinha no nível forte de mas a definição de violência por exemplo violência contra físico, emocional, econômico, abuso sexual, lei de definição mais importante é uma comissão que deve ia LABARIK dia deve menghadap abuso atau sini kata afeto putus deve maka afeto para LABARIK deve masih hari
Thank you. Muito obrigada.
Obrigada. Ivana, Vera. Obrigada.
Abro,